them into our factory to install and produce. Then we make the whole brand new mirror to you. So let's get the show on the road. Follow me. So this is our LED bathroom mirror production line. So we proof the raw material from there to our factory. We make them from the brand new mirror. So how can we make it? Just follow our video to let me show you how to make our brand new mirror to deliver to your factory or your house. Just follow us.